Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great, staying safe. So today's video is a little different. I was looking for a lipstick palette and when I was searching I came across the Makeup Revolution Pro palette. It just arrived the day before and I have not used it yet, so I thought why not make a video about it. And it has almost all the colors that one would think of having. So the colors are right from nudes to reds, pinks, browns. You have deeper tones like black and green if you want something more gothic. And first let's take a look at the pigmentation. So I'll take this brown over here, the burgundy. I'll take this bright pink, a red, and that's the red, and that's the pink, that's the purple and brown. So I think I took a very less amount of purple. And if you've noticed, my lips are naturally a little pigmented before and I've already moisturized them with a lip balm. So we'll swatch these colors. So I will not do all of them, but I will do a few colors so that you get the idea of how this palette works. And this I purchased from Nykaa and it was priced at rupees 1850. I will also share the image. So without wasting further time, let's get back on with the swatches. So it's supposed to be a matte shade and I'll take a lip brush and start applying. Let's start with this brown tone color and see how it goes. Yeah, here the color payoff is pretty well. I've done a very sheer application. Let's also try applying the shade with my finger. And at least this brown has pretty well covered the natural pigmentation on my lips. The lipstick also is slightly matte in texture. Feels really comfortable. Overall, I'm just enjoying applying it. So I'll take this pink tone and see how it goes. The overall view that I feel about this palette is it's definitely a good palette. You can, people who love lipsticks like I do and want a lot of colors without spending too much, then this definitely is a good palette. Now the other thing in this is that the shades like purple, which looks quite a darker tone, but when I applied it on my lipstick, it was comparatively quite soft a color. And I felt it had the maximum amount of pigmentation peeping through compared to the rest of the 4 shades that I had applied. So with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and my opinion about this particular palette is that it's a good palette for people who do not want to spend that too much on different lipsticks and yet want a wide variety of shades available. It's good. So there is slight dryness to them because they're matte in texture. So they're creamy when you're applying it and they're settled down with a matte finish. So they are very minimally transfer proof. They do a fairly decent job. So yes, I would give this rating of 3 to 3.5 out of 5. So with this we end this video. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Any comments or queries, please do mention in the comment section below. I would love to hear from all of you. And till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe once again, have a great day, see you.